Hey everyone, today I will show you how to delete everything on your laptop. First, go to the Start menu and open Settings. From here, click on Update and Security. On the left side, you will see an option called Recovery. Click on it. You will see a section that says Reset this PC with a button labeled Get Started. Click on Get Started to begin the process. A new window will appear asking whether you want to keep your files or remove everything. Since the goal is to delete all files, select Remove Everything. After that, you will see two options. One is Cloud Download and the other is Local Reinstall. Select Cloud Download. This option will download a fresh copy of Windows from the cloud, ensuring that your system is fully reset. Once you select Cloud Download, wait for a few seconds or a minute while your laptop prepares the reset. After it is ready, you will see a button labeled Reset. Click on Reset to start the process. Your laptop will restart automatically and begin deleting all files, programs, and settings. This process may take some time depending on the speed of your device and the size of your drive. It is important not to turn off your laptop during this process. When the reset is complete, your laptop will restart again and show the initial setup screen. Thanks for watching.